The finance function is the engine at the core of every organisation. But as the manual processes that have traditionally tied up busy finance professionals are rapidly replaced with artificial intelligence and advanced automation, we're helping chief finance officers consider how they can do more for their organisations in the digital age and become the chief value officers of tomorrow. We help CFOs survey the latest digital trends affecting the finance function, including Agile business analytics, showing you the analytics tools that you can integrate into your business. Agile business finance, explaining how technology can help the finance function operate in a more agile way. CFO onboarding, exploring the ways CFOs need to define their roles in the future and considering the strategic priorities of their position in the modern era. Digital finance, showing how new technologies like blockchain and predictive analytics can help you in the future. Global business services, considering the relevance of GBS in the market and how it can help your business. Robotic process automation, identifying the area of repetitive tasks that can be removed from your business. And EY Digital Boardroom of the Future, exploring the use of this extraordinary new platform and its application for live analysis of business data. EY Wavespace is our global network of growth and innovation centres, which helps you explore innovative ideas for the transformative age. Wavespace provides a great way to take your first steps to a new view of the finance function through immersive workshop experiences, including our CFO space, a 360-degree touchscreen environment where forward-looking teams can experience demonstrations from industry thought leaders. Join us at Wavespace to find out what the new world of digital finance means for you.